Hey, it's Mike, and today I'd like to talk about HIMS and Her Health Inc. This stock trades on the NYSE under symbol HIMS. This stock was up over 4%, up to 1522, and after hours it did move up another 1%, up to 1539. Take a look at the last 1 month chart. This stock has not been doing that great, but over the past 6 months, you see this stock has been a really incredible riser, moving up as high as $25 before moving all the way back down to $15. So I do think that this stock has found an area where it can kind of stabilize and begin to build a base of support before it begins to move higher. When you see a stock that kind of has this incredible run up, it really needs to give back like half of these gains in order to find some level of support. And I do think that with the market rising and the stock stopping its sort of downward slide, it's going to find a base of support around the $15 level, and over time it should make its run back up to $25. So there's a potential 60 to 70% upside over the next maybe 9 months. So from now until the end of the year, definitely HIMS could make a run at $25 a share. So the company is a pretty interesting company. It's a telehealth company, mainly for men. Now, the thing, it's not what I would call a serious telehealth medical company. It's basically, if you want a prescription for like Viagra, Cialis, or for hair loss, you make a telemedicine appointment. They put you in front of a doctor. The doctor asks you like 3 or 4 questions, and then you get your prescription for your Viagra, and then you're off. And so it's not like for serious health issues, but you see here popular, it's Viagra, Cialis, all erectile dysfunction, and then they have treatment for hair, sex treatments, skin. So it's that kind of stuff, and so they just make it as easy as possible to get the script you want right from home, so you don't have to go to a doctor if you feel embarrassed about it or whatever. So I definitely think there is some potential here, because I do think even when the pandemic is over, telemedicine appointments are going to be more commonplace than they were before COVID. I do know, several medical offices that are going to probably continue to do telehealth even after the pandemic is done, because it's just a lot easier if you have someone, let's say, who's older. It would be hard for them to get to the office for a visit. It's easier for them to do the visit over the phone. It's also easier for the healthcare providers, the offices, because they could just put the doctor in his office and just put him in front of a screen just to handle probably 3 appointments in the time that he or she would do 1 face-to-face appointment. So I do think telehealth is going to be one of those long-term trends that are here to stay. But I do think HIMS and Her has some potential to be a really popular company. And like I said, I do see this stock being able to go back and challenge its highs before the end of the year. I think we're going to have a strong year for equities, a strong year for small cap stocks. And once this stock builds a base, it should be able to move higher and challenge that 52-week high. And I do think it could probably do that before the end of the year. So go ahead and check out HIMS and Her Health. It trades on the NYSE under symbol HIMS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.